Let's get some free ringtones, guys. Yay. Okay. Go to Edge.net. Right there. It's Edge. Sign up. Right there. You guys sign up. I log in. Put in my stuff. Okay, I signed up, I logged in. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is either. Okay, this is the home page. You go to download up there. Go to ringtones. These are pretty much the new and popular ringtones. You search your ringtone. I will put DJ TS still, because he's awesome and I like him. He's good at making music. He's the best. Okay, now these little icons right here, right there. It's like the play button to like preview it, and the thing on the bottom. Obviously, you download the ringtone there. Let's try this. Okay, you go to get ringtone. Now, 3 main ways to get this. You go on your phone, on the internet, and you download it from your phone. And then it's going to ask you for the Z code. That's the Z code, because it says Z code. Okay. Or you can get it by SMS or PC download. I always do mine by PC download because it's just the easiest. You go to start download. You save, and it will bring this up where you want to save it, and you can change the name, whatever. I'll just leave it as it is. I don't really care. And you hit save. It's under my documents, just in case you guys are wondering. Okay. It's right there. My downloads. See downloads. Whenever I may find. X that, open up my documents. Somebody cracked my screen. Okay. Anyways, it's being really slow right now. I don't know why. It should be all the way at the... Okay, it's right there. Okay, right. I just downloaded it. There's nothing there. If you guys want me to do another one, there's nothing there. Whatever. Okay, so it's right here. You guys can listen to it. That it is the same one. So yeah. And then if you have like a USB cable, you hook it from your phone. Let's see where it is. What is it called? Oh yeah, whenever I may find it. Right here. Drag it from there. Drag it. Open up iTunes. Yeah, it's being really slow. Okay, so basically, like, it's playing right now. You guys can hear it. So I'm not lying. It's free. You guys should try it out for yourself. So, that's basically how you do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you guys. Thanks.